Hello again everyone. Well, I'm on the road once again to the far eastern land of Thailand. Here the local bus is taking me to Bournemouth coach station, where I will catch the National Express coach to Heathrow Airport. At Heathrow I will meet up with a friend and fellow YouTuber, Peter from Thailand Bound. Check his channel out. And as luck would have it, we are flying out at the same time but on different airlines. Peter is on Thai Airways and I am on Eva Air, which is a Taiwanese airline. As the bus journeys through the cold and dreary Dorset, I cannot help but think that in less than 24 hours I will be in 30 degrees Celsius heat of Bangkok. We are both coming from different parts of the UK, but our coaches arrive at Heathrow at almost identical times. So join me on this trip as I venture to the land of smiles, and I will show you the beautiful apartment I have booked for a while in Bangkok. Then I will be heading off backpacking all over Thailand and Malaysia. We're on board the coach, nice leather seats. Let's get ready to go. And off we go to Heathrow. Right, this is mine. Yep, this is mine. Just double check it. Yep, that's mine. Right, at Terminal 2. Oh, I'm coming here to find someone now. Where do I find him? Can you give me a call? Find out where he is. Oh, yeah. Here comes my mate Peter. Here he is. No, can't miss him. Here he is. Oh, Peter. Yeah, I was just waiting for you. How you doing?
Yeah.
All right.
That was a bloody journey and a half.
We got here bang on time almost, haven't we?
Oh, yeah.
Right. Well, the joys and mishaps of travelling. At this point, my flight was nearly 2 hours late taking off because of a catering delivery problem, which I find hard to believe. When I looked out the window, there wasn't even a plane there. So Peter landed. We were supposed to land within 5 minutes of each other at Bangkok, but Peter landed obviously 2 hours ahead of me, so he picked his bags up from the carousel and just made his own way to the city centre, for which I did exactly the same when I landed at Bangkok, went down to get the train and just made my own way, and we'll meet up later on. So this here is just the on-screen headrest for the journey from Heathrow to Bangkok, following the plane along, and it's quite interesting to watch actually. Right, finally arrived at Bangkok. I'm just going to get the train into the city now. So I'm going to Phaya Thai. So here we go. There's that. So I'm here. I'm going to go all the way to the end of the line. Phaya Thai. And right. Find this train. I'm glad to get to the apartment. Well, how are you doing? Just arrived in Bangkok late last night. Just going to show you my apartment. There we go. Noisy buggers. It's Sukhumvit 63 along here. This is Ekamai 19, and my apartment is just down here. Hair salon there. Have a quick tour around my apartment. I've only been out the flat for an hour. I'm sweating buckets already. Jesus. About 32 degrees Celsius at the moment, and it's just on midday. So just about 100 metres up here. Got a lovely apartment I'm staying at for 2 nights before I head off somewhere else. Got little food stalls on the side of the road here. Traditional Thai food, and we're stuck in a traffic jam. Stalls there. Let's come in here. Oh. This is Park 19 residence. So, from the underground car park, then up the lift. Spotty cap. Just going to get the sanitizer. Please wear a face mask. Oh, well, no, I'm the only one here. What a cap. I'm in 210. So we've got this card here, electronic entrance. Why isn't it working? What's going on? It is 210, isn't it? 210, yeah. It's not like me in. There you go. That's it. Put the card in here. The electric. Let's have a look around. Door locked. So this is the little lobby area. Little seating area here. Nice mirror. Cupboards. Fridge, freezer. I've only got a bottle of water in there at the moment. Cupboard space, storage area. All empty. I arrived here last night and very knackered. I went out, had about 4 pints, and I was drunk as a skunk. So I was so tired, I didn't sleep for about 2 days. Because I was on a plane and at Heathrow. And yeah, there's the apartment. Look at that. Nice and big. Here's the bathroom. This mirror, sink, nice toilet, lovely big shower. Lovely lukewarm water, it's just what you want in this heat. Let's put the rest of the lights on. Microwave, a dining table. There's the sofa area, TV. I don't know what size there is, probably about 45 inch, I don't know, I think. Nice balcony. Overlooking, let's put the air conditioning on. And in here we have the main room, the bedroom. Put the air conditioning on in here as well. It's not working. Why is that not working here? Oh well, it's not working at the moment, but there we go, there's that. the safe, wardrobe and drawers. Not bad for 2,000 baht for 2 nights. It's about £25 a night. So yeah, quite happy with this. So now I should get on and do some editing for videos I've recorded since England. And that's it for now. I shall see you all later. I shall go out for a wander around busy Bangkok later and show you what's what. So for now, I'll see you later. Ciao.